If you want to make a line graph in PowerPoint 2010, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to insert the chart, enter your data, customize the design, and make it look clean and professional for any presentation. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint guides. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint 2010 and go to the slide where you want to add your graph. From the top menu, click the Insert tab. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the tools for adding visuals, charts, tables, pictures, and other content. Once you're in Insert, look for the Chart button and click it. A chart window will open with different chart types available. Now choose Line from the chart options. You'll see several line chart styles, so pick the one that best fits your data. If you're just starting out, a basic lines chart is usually the easiest option because it's clear and simple. After selecting your style, click OK, and PowerPoint will insert the chart onto your slide. As soon as the chart is added, an Excel sheet will open automatically. This is where you enter your own data. PowerPoint uses this sample spreadsheet to build the chart, so now you need to replace the example values with your actual information. For example, if you're tracking sales over time, you might use month in one column and sales in the next column. Just click into the cells, delete the sample data, and type in your own numbers and labels. Make sure your data is organized clearly because the chart will reflect whatever you enter here. Once your data is ready, you can simply close the Excel sheet and PowerPoint will update the chart on your slide automatically. At this point, your basic line graph is already created. Next, let's customize the chart so it looks more polished. Click on the chart and you should see chart tools appear. Add a chart title if it doesn't already have one. A clear title helps your audience understand what the graph is showing right away. You can also add axis titles so the horizontal and vertical axes are labeled properly. This is especially useful when you want your presentation to look more professional and easy to follow. Now you can change the look of the line itself. Try adjusting the line color so it matches your presentation theme or makes the data easier to see. You can also change the style to make the chart look more modern or visually appealing. If the default style looks too busy, a simpler design often works better for business, school, or report presentations. To improve the chart even more, add data markers. These markers help highlight each point on the line, making the chart easier to read at a glance. You can also adjust the legend position if needed. For example, moving the legend to the side or bottom can sometimes make the chart cleaner and prevent it from covering important information. Another good tip is to keep the colors simple. Using too many bright colors can make the chart feel cluttered, while soft, clear colors usually make the data easier to understand. The goal is to make the graph readable, professional, and easy for your audience to interpret quickly. And that's it. You've now made a line graph in PowerPoint 2010. You've inserted the chart, entered your data, customized the title and axis labels, and formatted it for a better look. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next PowerPoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.